This is the video for G53-4 and G55-4 joint office, fully furnished. This is the front of the office. The offices in question are on the level 4, level 1 being ground floor, and this is block G. We are viewing the one-way access road. That's block H in the middle and block I at the end. And this is block F with the basement parking, 2 levels. The glass doors immediately in front are the access to the lift lobby. This is a lift lobby secured by card access for off-office hours access. Both sides of the lift lobby are offices that are also owned by us, except for level 2 on G55. The lift lobby showing the fire alarm panel, which is specially fitted previously. The nameplates for the offices. The mailbox. And office lifts, which was refurbished about 3 or 4 years ago, so it's quite new on the inside. This is a Toshiba lift. And we are going to level 4. Level 4, the nameplate for the offices, which can be changed. This is G55-4 entrance. The emergency escape staircase. And this is G53-4. So in this case, G53-4 and G55-4 are joined together on the same level. This would be the suggested main entrance for the fully furnished office. There's a grill door here. Some reception seating. And the two rooms here, this one doubles up as a library cum meeting room. It has its own split unit aircon. These are actually foldable partitions that open up to the boardroom on the other side. Six-seater meeting table and ample cabinets for books and other stuff that you may want to put in, plus a whiteboard with a pull-down projection screen. This was the entrance we came in. The little reception. And this is another meeting room. With a whiteboard. And this meeting room is served by the central 10 horsepower air conditioning, ducted air conditioning system. You can see the duct on the ceiling. Open plan partitions. Cluster of office tables, complete with side tables or cupboards. And pedestal drawers, also with all the necessary power points that you would need. Wall-mounted storage and floor-standing storage. Document shelves or brochure shelves. Another cluster of office tables. That's the view towards the front of the office. Senior executive table. The boxing on the wall is for the air conducting. The partition here leads to the PA area and the director's room. PA table. That was the entrance door, and this is the entrance door to the director's room. Director's room with a big table. The window looks out to the back lane. And it has its own split unit air conditioning system. The PA area again. The view of the office outside. The senior executive or managers seating, the 8 tables for general office staff. This is where you can place some copiers, printers and so on. And this is the ladies' toilet and the men's toilet. This is where the partition wall between the 2 floors G53-4 and G55-4 is supposed to be. It was broken down so that it's one common office. This is a senior manager's office. And the general view of the office on G55-4 side. Again, 2 clusters of 4 tables each with the open plan partition. Some storage. Senior manager's office. With its own split unit air conditioner. So the senior manager has a reasonable view of the office area on both sides. This is G53-4 and this is G55-4. Okay. The cluster of 4 office tables each. Floor standing storage units. Senior executive work area. Wall hung cupboards. The counters here are for general purpose usage and typically are used for food and drinks, laid out as a buffet for those who might be coming in for meetings in the meeting room. And this is the entrance door to the boardroom actually. This is the other entrance door to the unit that leads to the lift lobby. And you can see the lift lobby again. We came in through the door behind which there is a grill gate, and that's the lift serving the 5 floors. General view of the office. And this is the boardroom. So these are the foldable partitions that actually open out to the library cum meeting room on the other side. A view from the back of the boardroom. The large table. The windows overlooking the front of the office. Storage cupboards, the whiteboard, and a pull-down projection screen at the top. So this boardroom is served by the central aircon and also has its own 2.5 horsepower ceiling mount cassette aircon, which is quite a new unit. View from the front of the boardroom. The entrance door. Going into the general office area of G55-4 again. And we are heading towards the back of the office where there's a small pantry counter. An old refrigerator, additional split air cons. And there's another supplementary ceiling split aircon unit here as well. All ceiling lights have been upgraded to LED, so that minimizes electrical power consumption. And some additional tables and filing counters at the back here. That can be the pantry counter. The windows overlook the back lane. An old refrigerator. This is the entrance door to the washroom area and the toilets. There's a pantry sink. The female toilet. And the male toilet. with the urinal. So there are a total of 4 toilets in both the offices, 2 on each side. This is a connecting section at the back between the 2 floors. The senior manager's office again. The toilets on the other side. PA area leading to the director's room. Senior executive workspace. The other 4 clusters of office tables. The reception. The meeting room. And the library cum meeting room. The entrance door with the steel grille. Thank you.